Days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, weekdays, weekend. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. September, October, November, December. Money matters: cash, debit, credit card, check, in advance, annual fee. Monthly membership, interest rate, deposit, tuition fees, poverty, bank statement, money management, current account, student account, withdraw, low-risk investment. Mortgage, grace period, budget deficit, retail voucher, coupon counterfeit money, public money, taxpayers' money, debt, interest-free credit, purchase, partial refund. Annuity, non-refundable, MasterCard, Visa, distribution costs, income, finance department, family finances, duty-free store. Subjects: science, politics, history, biology, architecture, law, geography. Archaeology, literature, business management, agriculture, statistics, mathematics, logic, physics, psychology, anthropology, economics, philosophy, performing arts, visual arts, chemistry, humanities. Studying at college, university. Course outline, group discussion, handout. Written work, report writing, research, proofreading, experiment, experience. Reference: textbook, dictionary, laptop, printer, student advisor, teamwork, module, topic, assessment, library, department, computer center, classroom, lecture, tutor, main hall, attendance, deadline, give a talk, speech, computer laboratory, certificate, diploma, placement test, overseas students, full-time, facilities, college, dining room, specialist, knowledge, international, accommodation, homestay, primary, secondary, intermediate, media room, resources room, staff, commencement, dissertation, leaflet, faculty, pupils, pencil, feedback, tasks, outcomes, advanced, introductory, extra background, higher education, guidelines, post-secondary, supervisor, bachelor's degree, compound, vocabulary, student support services, student retention, publication. Foreign students, schedule, school reunion, registrar's office, stationery. Marketing, catalog, interview, newsletter, competition, TV program, strategies, research method, entertainment industry, leadership, management, display, products. Customer, special offer, collecting data, questionnaire, survey, mass media, statistic, profit margin, poll, business card, training, trainee, merchandise, manufacture, recruitment. Health, yoga, tai chi, keep fit, salad bar, vegetarian, outdoor activities, leisure time, disease, meal, protein, balanced diet, food pyramid, vitamin, carbohydrates, rice, pasta, potatoes, pizza, tomatoes, bread, cereals, minerals, zinc, meat, seafood, eggs. Beans, milk, cheese, yogurt, fruit, vegetables, citrus fruits, green pepper, blackcurrant, nuts, egg yolk, liver, medicine treatment, remedy, nursing care, nursery, regular exercise. Nature, field, footbridge, environment, waterfall, river, mountain, forest, village, coast, reef, lake, valley, hill, cliff, island, peninsula, earthquake, avalanche, tornado, typhoon, desertification, volcano, disaster, catastrophe, erosion, landslides, storm, flood, hurricane, pond, jungle, oasis, dam, canyon. The environment, greenhouse effect, acid rain, global warming, carbon dioxide, burning fossil, exhaust fumes, deforestation, nitrogen oxide, smog, climate, pollution, temperature, power plants, landfill, cattle, wind turbine, solar power, hydroelectric power, renewable, source of energy, reliable, solar panels, environmentally friendly, oxygen, chemical-free, desert, degradation, vegetation, sea level, ocean currents, soil conditioner, coal, fossil fuels, firewood, drought, contaminated. The animal kingdom, birds of prey, seabirds, poultry and game, mammals, cetacean, whale, primates, rodents, fish, amphibian, reptile, insects, octopus, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, livestock, creature, lion, penguin. Plants, mushroom, fungus, leaves, seed, core, bark, trunk, twig, branch, flower, stem, roots, cluster, fertilizer. Continents, South America, North America, Africa, Asia, Europe. Australia and Antarctica. Countries, Egypt, Mexico, France, Indonesia, Turkey, England, Germany, China. Greece, Brazil, India, North Korea, India, Malaysia, New Zealand, Nigeria, Pakistan, Singapore, Switzerland, United Kingdom, Italy, the Dominican Republic, the Philippines. Denmark. Languages, linguistics, bilingual, trilingual, polyglot, Portuguese, Mandarin, Bengali, Chinese, Hindi, Russian, Japanese, German, Punjabi, Thai, Persian, Filipino, French, Italian, Greek, French. Architecture and buildings, dome, palace, fort, castle, glasshouse, pyramid, log cabin, lighthouse, hut, skyscraper, sculpture. Homes, semi-detached house, duplex, terraced house, townhouse, row house, bungalow, thatched cottage, mobile home, houseboat, block of flats, apartment building, condominium, chimney, bedroom, basement, landlord, tenant, rent, lease, neighborhood, suburb, sofa, coffee table, dormitory, story, kitchen, refrigerator, microwave, ground floor, oven, hallway, insurance. In the city, cities, street, lane, city center, central station, car park, department store, bridge, temple, embassy, road system, hospital, garden, avenue. Workplaces, clinic, dentist, reception, appointment, staff selection, colleague, workshop, showroom, information desk, employer, employment, unemployed, technical cooperation, team leaders, stress, ability, vision, confidence, employee, internship. Rating and qualities, reasonable, satisfactory, dangerous, safe, strongly. Recommended, poor quality, satisfied, disappointed, efficient, luxurious, colored, spotted, striped, expensive, cheap. Touring, tourist guided tour, ticket office, souvenir, trip, guest, reservation, view, culture, memorable, single double-bedded room, picnic, tourist attraction, hostel, suite, aquarium. Verbs, train, develop, collect, supervise, mark, edit, revise, exhibit, donate. Surpass, register, support, hunt, persuade, concentrate, discuss, suggest, arrange, borrow, immigrate, review, learn, touch. Adjectives, energetic, social, ancient, necessary, fantastic, exciting, fabulous, dull, comfortable, convenient, suitable, affordable, voluntary, mandatory, compulsory, temporary, permanent, immense, vast, salty, extinct, vulnerable, pessimistic, optimistic, realistic, practical, knowledgeable, flexible, confident, western, intensive. Tranquil, spectacular, intact, various. Hobbies, orienteering, caving, spelunking, archery, ice skating, scuba diving, snorkeling, skateboarding, bowls, darts, golf, billiards, photography, painting, pottery, woodcarving, gardening, stamp collection, embroidery, climbing, chess, parachute. Sports, cricket, baseball, basketball, rugby, soccer, American football, hockey, swimming, tennis, squash, badminton, ping pong, field, court, pitch, stadium, team, the discus, the javelin, the hammer, the high jump, horse racing, show jumping, polo. Cycling, gymnasium, athlete, gym, extreme sports, paragliding, hang gliding, skydiving, abseiling, snowboarding, bungee jumping, surfing, windsurfing, jet skiing. Bodyboarding, whitewater rafting, kitesurfing, mountain biking, jogging, press up, push up, barbell, treadmill, judo, recreation, snooker, walking, championship, canoeing, refreshment. Shapes: square, rectangular, triangular, polygon, oval, spherical, spiral, circular, curved, cylindrical. Measurement: width, length, altitude, imperial system, metric system, mass. Depth, breadth, height, 3 dimensions, frequency. Transportations: cargo plane, shipment, container ship, boat, lifeboat, ferry, hovercraft, hydrofoil, liner, canal boat, narrowboat, dinghy sailing, sailboat, paddle steamer, cabin cruiser, rowing boat, rowboat, kayak, canoe, punt, gondola, aircraft, helicopter, seaplane, airship, hot air balloon, airport, crew, passenger, platform, hire a car, automobile. Vehicles: double-decker bus, single-decker, minibus, school bus, coach, truck, tanker, van, lorry, transporter, forklift truck, tow truck, breakdown truck, pickup, jeep. Caravan, camper, tractor, taxi, cab, tram, underground, subway, stream train, freight train, goods train. Weather: humid, hot, sticky, breeze, chilly, cold, cool, dry, dusty, freezing, hot, warm, wet, weather forecast, antenna, moisture. Places: local library, swimming pool, cafeteria, cottage, parliament. Accommodation: restaurant, canteen, cafe, bookshop, sports center, city council, dance studio, park, conversation club, kindergarten. Equipment and tools: helmet, light, musical instrument, cassette, silicon chip, digital monitor, gadget, device, screen, brakes, wheels, mechanical pencil, disc, backpack. The arts and media: opera, orchestra, concert, symphony, the press. Conductor, vocalist, audience, festival, carnival, exhibition, classical music, theater, cinemas, art gallery, museum, ballet, television, radio, graphics, newspaper. Materials: fur, metal, steel, aluminum, copper, rubber, plastic, ceramics, glass, cement, stone, textile, cotton, fabric, wool, leather, bone, paper, lumber, wood, glue, composite, fiberglass, concrete, wax, paper, wood, silver, gold, feather. Works and jobs: occupation, profession, designer, decorator, architect, engineer, manager, waitress, waiter, teacher, vacancy, professor, specialist, psychologist, volunteer, freelance, secretary, craftsman, work experience, curriculum vitae, male. Address: receptionist, pilot, guard, flight attendant, lecturer, office assistant, clerk, accountant, cashier, captain. Color: blue, white, orange, green, gray, black, red, yellow, purple, brown, pink. Expressions in time: 3 times per week, a gap year, full-time, part-time, midday, midnight, millennium, century, decade, fortnight. Other: passport photo, state, government, individual, variety, private sector, practice, gender, creativity, original inhabitant, indigenous, demonstration, strike, entrance, circuit, guarantee, dialogue, commerce, carriage, narrative, chocolate. Satellite: decision, prototype, attitude, daily routine, personal fulfillment, activity, recipient, ultrasound, pedestrian safety, traffic jams, procedures, creation, prize. Junior, senior, opportunity, driving license, process, literary, man-made, Republicans, umbrella, frequently updated, waiting list, sewer systems, liberal democracy, Democrats, lunar calendar, libertarian, burger, videos, nature conservation, life expectancy, fundraising event, magnet, dialect, ramification, straight, farewell, welfare. Encyclopedia: evolution, revolution, illiteracy, robot, proficiency, sufficient. Good luck for your IELTS journey. I'll be happy if you subscribe my channel, Minaja Din Mahmood.